Hi paddlers, TRAK Pilot Cole here. Now I'm going to demonstrate the forward sweep stroke. The forward sweep stroke can be used when paddling forward and we want to correct our direction under momentum. It can also be used to turn in a kayak's length. So our steps to initiate a forward stroke. First, maintain regal posture. We're going to want to put our boat on edge on the same side we're sweeping on. We're going to want to place our paddle in toward our toes with a fully submerged blade. We're going to keep our sweeping arm straight with our dry arm tucked in, and we want to form a big, wide arcing C shape all the way to the stern. One thing that you can do to ensure proper torso rotation is to follow the blade all the way from the bow all the way to the stern, from tip to tail in a big arcing C motion. When you finish the sweep stroke, you can come off edge. One action item that you can do now to improve your sweep stroke is to go out there and practice with varying forces. So go out there and try your sweep stroke with light force, and go out there and try with stronger force and notice the results. And I challenge you to be brave, and I'll see you out there.